Hello viewers, welcome back to SKR-coding-tech. This is Ahmad. In this video, I have come with a very interesting topic that is all about generative AI. Yes, why I have tell about interesting? Because generative AI plays a huge role in the worldwide. Yes, now it will rated to the approximately 10.5 billions in 2022 in a project test, and it will be increased to the 2032 in approximately 1.3 trillions, yeah, for doing the projects in AI. So I have learned about the as generative AI in Nxtwave. As previously Nxtwave conducted the one mega workshop on the as generative AI. So in that workshop, approximately 3 hours video will be provided for learning about the generative old topics, and I will cover the 3 hours class within these 10 minutes. So everybody please must and should watch this video, and I will promise to all of you, you will get most valuable and insights what are the present in the generative AI tools. And even though top 2% of software developers don't know how to build generative AI tools and what are the tools, applications are used in the generative AI tools. But I will explain all the applications and nuts and bolts are present in the generative AI. Yes, so don't skip the video, please watch for the end. Yes, you will get more valuable information on the generative AI. So before any delay, we'll go to the topic. Now coming to the topic, firstly, in this video, what you have learned in this video? Firstly, what are the applications are used in the generative AI? And second one, what are the nuts and bolts are used by the developing one generative AI board? Firstly, we are discuss about the what is generative AI? Yes, generative AI is nothing but one word answer is a super intelligent human. That means, for example, if you take one human reads or remember only hundreds of books in whole lifetime. But if you take the generative AI, it will contain so much of knowledges, and it will stores all, and it remembers approximately 1 billion of books and 1 billion websites, Wikipedias, what are the presents in the web browsers, all will be stored in the large language model, and it will be kept in that brain, and it will be gives responses to the output based on the user input. That is the main purpose of the generative AI. The short answer for the generative AI is shortly defined like generative AI is nothing but a super intelligent human. It is perfectly useful for like problem solving and creativity like this. Generative AI is mainly that useful. Okay, now discuss about the what are the applications are used in the generative AI. Yes, generative AI will create so many interesting topics like generative AI generates the charts like text based on the user input, and generative AI generates images, videos, and websites codes based on the user input. For example, if we take text generator, first we will discuss about the text generator. Yes, text generator. Yes, writer application is useful for give the text based on the user information. Yes, for example, if you want to go to the visit one big new places in India, so don't you know, so you will ask on the generative AI tools, and AI will give one interesting visiting places what you want to visit. Yes, that is the main purpose of the writer. And also generative AI is also generates images based on the user inputs. For example, do you if you want one horse will be swim on the water, but now that horse is not swimming the water, but AI will create its imaginary, it will create imaginary without considering any websites. It will create a new one using the like DALI 2. DALI 2 app is useful for generating images based on the user input, and so many apps are available for generating the images. And also one and mainly generative AI is also generates the videos based on the user inputs. Like for example, runway ML, if you take the runway ML, it will generate the videos based on the user inputs. For example, if you want to generate video on the one volcano blast. Then generative AI will generate the video on the volcano AI. Yes, this is very interesting. And generative AI is also creates websites. Yes, without using the code, also without knowing any coding skills, the generative AI creates the websites. Like for example, do you want to create one student portfolio? But you don't know about the coding skill. That you open the Framer. Yes, Framer app is useful for generating the websites or web pages or applications, whatever may be. Yeah, says Framer is useful for generating the web pages. And finally, do you want to generate code based on the your project? Then so many AI tools AI applications are used like GitHub Collab is mainly useful for generating the code based on the user inputs. The main these all are the same agenda but different purposes. Like first, first AI will generate the text based on the user input, and next DALI 2 that application will generate the images based on the user input, and Runway ML it is a video generator. It will generate the video based on the user input, and next one is Framer. It will generate the websites or web pages or applications whatever may be based on the user inputs. And next one is code generator like Seek, Google Collab, Pilot. Like this, these two apps is mainly useful for generating the apps. Yes, okay. These are the applications used in the generative AI. Yes, this is very interesting. I'll also provide the links in the description section. Do you want to visit this all website and perform some exam and take some examples, and you also do for a more clarification on the websites or apps. Okay. And now coming to the point, what are the nuts and bolts are used in the generative AI? Yes, mainly 7 tools are used in the generative AI for building the AI chatbot. First one is Google Collab. Yes, Google Collab is a user friendly that is mainly useful for creating and running, storing and sharing the code to the users. Yes, mainly useful for the you only remember Google Collab is a user friendly application. It is mainly useful for developing the Python programming or other any programming languages, and it will be stores the values and shares the our websites into the other places. And next one is Gradio. Yes, Gradio is a one type of user friendly. It is mainly useful for changing the code what are the present in the our existing code. And next one is LLM, large language model. Yes, large language model means large. Large is number of parameters that contains. A large language model, yes, it will contain so much of memories in that memory model. Okay, so in large language model contains, large means number of parameters that are present in the, for example, it will contain the 4.5 billion parameters, 10.5 billion, and 1 crore billions parameters are will contains in the website. Language means interface, user interface. What are the language that are present in that language? Yeah, and model is nothing but one model for building that. What are the model used in that application? Yes, this is the LLM. And next one is LangChain. LangChain is nothing but one inner software. For example, if you take one car, okay, one car, all cars are decorated outside as same, but engines was different. Like that, whenever we change the engine in the car, then the car condition will be changed. Like that, in our program, whenever we change the inner software without touching the outer sources, the LangChain is mainly useful for remove inner software and insert another software. Using the LangChain, it is very easy to modify and increases the versions based on our software. That is the main purpose of the LangChain. And next one is Hugging Face. Hugging Face is as similar as GitHub, but nowadays Hugging Face provides the AI applicational codes. That's why here now we are using the Hugging Face for Hugging Face is a user friendly, and it will be mainly useful for storing and sharing the code for users, and it also creates subheadings like that. Okay, and next one is on GitHub. It is similar to the GitHub like that. Okay, now LLM Gradio. These are what are the tools and nuts and bolts and we are discussing here. First one is Google Collab. It is a user friendly, and Gradio, LLM, LangChain, and LangChain. After that, yes, Play HD. Play HD is nothing but voice clone. It is useful for generating the our voice and insert into that website. Yes, at that time we are creating our voices with response to the other one. Yes, and next one and final one is uh, yes, this is enough for these nuts and bolts. These are the nuts and bolts are used for building the application or chatbot. Okay, do you want to become a full stack developer or a front end developer? Firstly, we have to do this specialization like a. Okay, so guys, if you want to become any full stack development or backend development, must and should I prefer to all of you. One specialization is main important, like AML or data science or cyber security, whatever maybe, what's your interest. Okay, but specialization is important. You don't have any specialization, then you will stay only here. There is no growth because most of the conditions are developed on the specializations like AML, cybersecurity like this. So I have do this video. So you will get more valuable information on the AML. Yes, generative AI, and you also get the what are the nuts and bolts are used in the generative AI, and what are the applications like text generated application, voice generated application, image generated application, video generated application, website generated application, and also code generated yeah, artificial intelligence like that. In this video I will cover applications and what is AI and what are the nuts and bolts are covered in the, and also provide the all the links in the description section. Do you want to visit or if you want to perform any tasks in the websites, then click on the below link and use it, and increase the your work. Don't stop it. Okay, do you have any further doubts on this topic, then put on the comment section. And if anybody watches my YouTube channel as a first time, then subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for more information. This YouTube channel is mainly included for the 4.0 technologies. So if whenever you support me, then I will do the so many videos related to the 4.0 technologies. Thank you for watching.